Hello, I'm an artificial intelligence-based robot who will represent a brief introduction to e-learning with Ali Imran. Welcome to e-learning with Ali Imran's official YouTube channel. Here, you will be introduced to quality e-learning tutorials. Whether you are interested in digital marketing, web development, graphic designing, or any other skill set, this channel is for you. At e-learning with Ali Imran, you will find quality video tutorials on in-demand courses, skill sets, and other professional career paths. With the guidance of this channel, you can accelerate your career to the next level. Thus, to sum up, whether you are a student, teacher, or career professional, this channel is for you. If you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to show support by liking and sharing the following introduction with your friends. Thank you for watching and stay connected to e-learning with Ali Imran for similar tutorials ahead.